We're gonna make yogurt instant pizza dough. Take 2 cups of self-rising flour. What we're gonna use is 1 cup Stonyfield yogurt. The great thing about using yogurt, you're adding protein, you're adding calcium, and what I like to do is put just about half a cup in the middle, and then using my hands, just combine the ingredients together. Add a little bit more, and you can see it's becoming more of a dough-like consistency. A little bit of the flour, sprinkle it on your board. Use a rolling pin to just press it out. Take our baking sheet, strain tomato sauce. And I just want the chunky parts of this. Spread this on the top. We need some baby mozzarella balls. Take the dough around the edges to give myself a nice crust. Go into a 450-degree oven. You want to cook this until the edges are completely brown, the cheese is melting. I actually have one that's already in here. Look at this. And I think some fresh basil would be really delicious. That is better than delivery. With just a little bit of yogurt, a little bit of self-rising flour, just a couple minutes in the oven. You have hot piping pizza for dinner.